Hey everyone, welcome back to Hazuke. If you're an NBA 2K fan, you're in for a treat. Today I'm bringing you the latest updates for NBA 2K20 through NBA 2K25, focusing on new signings, trades, and some exciting gameplay features. Let's dive right in. First up, let's talk about the new signings and trades for 2024. The Dallas Mavericks have a new look, and it's going to be exciting to see how these changes impact their gameplay. We've got all the latest signings and trades as of now, and trust me, you don't want to miss this. Next, let's discuss the updated rosters. From NBA 2K13 all the way to NBA 2K24, we've got it all covered. Check out the 2K ATG and 2K Champion roster, the 2K20-2K24 All-Star, and even the 2K roster anime updated. Whether you're a fan of the classics or looking for something fresh, there's something for everyone. And let's not forget the international updates. We've got the 2K, 2K FIBA, 2K PBA, and 2K Classic roster all updated. Plus, the NBA 2K24 All-Star and City Normal jersey are looking better than ever. The NBA 2K24 Facility Court and RTS Accessories are also updated, giving you more customization options. One of the most exciting parts is the complete Rookies update. All the latest rookies are included, and you can now enjoy a full offline mode with no passwords required. More MyCareer options and additional rosters are inside the MOD menu edition, making your gameplay experience even richer. And that's not all. The updates are compatible with Android 14 and below, making installation a breeze. So, what are you waiting for? Get the latest NBA 2K updates now and experience the game like never before. Thanks for watching. Most watch, don't skip the video because password will appear, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more updates. This is Hazuke, signing off. See you in the next video.
I don't even care. I want you to listen to what I say. I love you, but it's so confusing. I'm winning at the same time losing. I love you, but it's so confusing. I'm winning at the same time losing. time losing.
Pump up the bass line.
Hey guys, Tongits Go is holding a series of thrilling tournaments offering real prizes that you won't want to miss. Many players want to know how to join the most rewarding events. Watch this video to unlock the easiest and most rewarding tournaments in Tongits Go right now. Daily free Go Star tournament. Join daily free tournaments with no registration fee needed, and you can show your card skills. The top 100 players will share a 2,000 Go Stars prize pool, and the first place winner wins 1,000 Go Stars and a free monthly tournament ticket. 1,000 Go Stars equals 1,000 loads, helping you to top up ML diamonds and get free skin. Weekly Go Star tournament. But that's not all. The weekly Go Star tournament offers even more excitement. Register with just 50,000 golds for a chance to share in the 8,000 Go Stars prize pool. The top one player could win up to 5,000 Go Star. By contacting Human Service, you might take home amazing smart products like the Vivo Y03 or Infinix Smart 8, or other fantastic gifts. Don't wait any longer. Click the TG link in the description or comment to download and register for the tournament. Start your Tongits Go journey now. Good luck.